Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer here with today's lesson, Fall Protection Harness Safety. Remember to sign off on your mobile app or online to receive credit for this training. If you need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, please feel free to do so. When used correctly, fall protection prevents many injuries and even death. One fall protection tool is a full body harness. The full body harness reduces or eliminates injuries associated with fall impacts by spreading the force caused by the fall arrest around the torso instead of allowing the impact to concentrate in one area of the body. However, using a full body harness improperly can expose employees to serious health hazards. In this lesson, we'll discuss hazards, what personal protective equipment may be required, and safe work practices that will ensure the proper use of your harness at all times. Any job that has the potential for falling low or high distances may require a full body harness. Of course, there's a proper way to use any tool, and improper use of a full body harness can expose employees to several health hazards, including falling out of a harness that has not passed inspection, falling unconscious by hitting objects or the ground due to the harness not being set to the proper length, or suspension trauma, the symptoms of which include dizziness, sweating, toxic shock, nausea, heart palpitations, low blood pressure, or loss of vision. To aid in preventing some of the trauma or injury associated with a full body harness, there is personal protective equipment.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.